This that yay shit.
For you, Slim. Hey, tell her how it go. I'm gonna do it
that
again.
yay shit. You out here in that yay shit.
Hey, watch this. Look, the ball you win, the blank you lose.
No,
turn them all
son,
over
they
so you
together.
know which one you couldn't choose. Watch like this. Come on.
I ain't gonna lie, from what he said, like how you just did that, you could slick, like just go one whole, like how you.
I see what he's saying though.
Like go whole.
Like the one line.
Cause you gonna feel it.
Yeah.
And but like let that play, like.
Motion. What you doing, Telly? What you tell him? Let him know.
Do it for the $10. He gonna bring cuckoo chicken, fries, red beans. Look at that man. Look at that big opportunity.
Time be the motion. Tight shit. Don't let you out, man. You know what's down with us, man. BTL shit, trumpet shit, stuff shit. Hit your block and spin again shit. Man, bass spin again shit. You know what's down with us, man. Tight shit. You know what's down with us, man. Yeah. But he know I was here.
Yeah.
Yeah, he know I was
Man,
here.
that's why we here right now. I had to come holler at you, bro.
Go get a go, nigga.
He said go get a gun, nigga. It's good, nigga. He already knew. He said it's good.
I'm in that water like Phelps, deep in that water. Inside me. I like my back cause I don't know who on inside me. Let me catch one on the pause right there. Alright, I got it. So is I friend. So is I friend. I miss my friend. I would really like to do this one-on-one. Really some one-on-one. I would really like to do this one-on-one. Really some one-on-one.
There you go. That's good enough.
I be in my feelings sometimes. But fuck, you know, I'm always trying to.
I'm just set up and shit like, I be fucking with niggas. I don't like when I have to keep telling them to stop. Like, you probably can tell I'm in the habit of doing that shit, like pointing back at you. Gonna already do that shit though.
I punch him though. I understand it.
Like, you gonna already stab me when I catch my break. You gonna hit me when I catch my break. Other niggas, man, them niggas don't, I be having to tell them, like point in, start me over. Yeah,
Right quick, shining in that bitch. You know that light was making that bitch hit.
Young and youthful.
I'm about to kick that door down there.
Boys on his mind. He on his mind. He proud of that. He on his mind. He feeling sad. He got them glasses on each feet.
Don't waste my time to hear what they rap. Say you ride for me for so long. Everything I got was all the flap. All I ever got was a dab. To my hood brothers, man, this shit way different. You know we ate mama noodles out each other's kitchen. Drinking all the Vinny Kool-Aid, leaving dirty dishes. Shit, if I'm in the door, don't question me, we all in it. I be one fast cause I get tired of that fake shit. Man, these niggas shedding skin on some snake shit. That's why I move around, they know the tell it stay lit. I got a house for my family, still feel like I ain't did shit. Moved out the hood, but still in. My little cousin trigger back home, that bitch still in. I got this jet black shit, I stay with clip-ins.
Still.
I said I held it in for so long. Many niggas be cap. Don't even waste my time to hear what they rap. Say you ride for me for so long. Everything I got was all the flap. All that jet black shit, I stay with clip-ins. I'm trying not to be sober, that let my pain in. I'm trying to cope with my pain cause I won't drown habits. That water like Phelps, deep in that water. Deep in that water. Say I held it in for so long. Never cross my head like we on the grill this evening. Double up my vision blurred, I'm still trying to see again. Streets ain't the same, can't even say that he got old ways. Cause they got something. Buku left like he was locked up beside me. These niggas be wanting clothes and they try and get grimy. I gotta watch my back cause I don't know who on side me. I stay with a stick like I can walk home alone. Cause I don't know but I never drown. I'm in that water like Phelps, deep in that water. Deep in that water. Say I held it in for so long. That bitch in my dog like it's is German shocking. Buku F like he was locked up beside me. These niggas be want clothes and they try to get grimy. I gotta watch my back cause I don't know who on side me. I stay with a stick like I can walk home alone. Cause I don't know who gon' be there when they take me home. And I can't lie, I can't stop taking a ride. I ain't letting shit slide. They don't take one of mine, so it's eye for an eye.
Got a gun on him, strapped up ain't no one in him. I know how they feel about me. Yeah, I know my dog, he don't care about me. You know the real about me. I know how they feel about me. I know how they. Yeah. And I'm like, shawty too fast. I'm trying to smash on it.
31, let that shit ride.
Tell her you gotta do him. Tell her you gotta do him.
You wanna flex him? Stretch him? Just sit back and watch me like Netflix, nigga. Watch me like Netflix, nigga. Call me Teleflix, nigga.
Tell me what it was.
Call me Teleflix, nigga.
He said call me Teleflix, nigga.
Watch me like Netflix, nigga.
Boy, cool nigga. Watch them. You don't active like him.
What I need on him now? He got it on
Mix
him
with that
now.
T-baby?
Purple nigga T's and shit.
Strapped like a baby seat in here, cause we play Call of Duty. Sometimes I ain't gonna lie, I feel like that my thoughts say, whoa. But I know, I don't know where I'm going. Push start the whip, this bit might not be fun.
Shit right quick.
I'm playing in this bitch. I'm ready for that. Nigga think I'm pussy.
Trap disappeared, I had to change my lane. Mind doing flips, I still won't let them see me go insane. Getting better over time, but every day it ain't the same. Grip tight like I got plies, cause everybody seem to change. Ain't supposed to hit your bro, I swear that shit ain't how that go. Real hood baby witness at the post, they buy that stove. Back against the wall, I know it's good, could always call my bros. Back against the wall, bro, always fight, but I don't need my bros. Trap like a baby, see the hill, cause we play Call of Duty. I don't know where I'm going, I know I'm trying to make it far. Push start the whip, this bitch might not be fun. Where I'm from, you keep your strap, you ride it and out the door. Don't do no lacking, you better watch that car. Every F, make sure you play it smart. I know I can't raise my daughter sitting behind the bars. Behind my daughters, I'm going flag, I feel like fuck the laws. I'm from St. Rosie, and ain't no we drive exotic cars. Foot hit the gas, rip on his ass, that we can take it far. You ride for me, I ride for you, keep it beef from the start. If I tell you that I love you, just know it's from the heart. How could you turn your back on me when I always play my part? If I got it, then my brothers ain't never played a part. I put that shit all on me. I want more money than a rock star. From old side to the 3, hold it down to rock star. From old shots to survive, cause I can't let my daughter see my pain. Right where we at, I know that we ain't going up the same. Shine to shine, we never you know I do the same. Shots to everybody won't kill, they ain't even tryna go and see, but you know I do the same. Try to survive, cause I can't let my daughter see my pain. Right where we at, I know that we ain't going up the same. Shine to shine, we never gave a fuck about the fame. You know I do the same. Try to survive, cause I can't let my daughter see my pain. Right where we at, I know that we ain't going up the same. Nowadays, these niggas be doing that shit just for a name. Everybody won't kill, they ain't even tryna go and see better days. Trap disappeared, I had to change my lane. Mind doing flips, I still won't let them see me go insane. Getting better over time, but same. Shine to shine, we never gave a fuck about the fame. Nowadays, you know I do the same. Try to survive, cause I can't let my daughter see my pain. Right where we at, I know that we ain't going up the same. Shine to shine, you know know I do the same. Try to survive cause I can't let my daughter see my pain. Grind where we at, I know that we ain't growing up the same. Shine to shine, we never give a fuck about the fame. Nowadays, these niggas be doing that shit just for a name. Everybody won't kill, they ain't even tryna go and see better days. See better days. Trap disappeared, I had to change my lane. Mind doing flips, see better days. Trap disappeared, I had to change my lane. Mind see better days. Trap disappeared, I had to change my lane. Mind doing flips, I still want see better days. Trap disappeared, I had to change my lane. Back against the wall, I know it's good, could always call my bros. Back against the wall, go always see better days. Trap disappeared, I had to change my lane. Mind doing flips, I still won't let them see me go insane. Getting better over time, but every day it ain't the same. Grip tight like I got plies. All I know is good, could always call my bros. Back against the wall, go up. See better days. Trap disappeared, I had to change my lane. Mind doing flips, I still won't let them see me go insane. Getting better over time, but every day it ain't the same. Grip tight like I got plies. But I know. I don't know where I'm going, I know I'm trying to make it fall. Push start the whip, this bitch might not be fun. Where I'm from, you keep your strap, you ride early night after dark. Don't do no lacking, you better watch that car. Every app, make sure you play it smart. I know I can't raise my daughter sitting behind the bars. Behind my daughters, I'm going fast, I feel like fuck the law. I'm from St. Rosa, it ain't no we drive fast. It don't matter if the cops get behind me. High speed, we did the race. PGY, we gon' hold it down. All stay the 3. Hold it down cause they was there for me. We trapped cause we ain't had a job. Growing up, we work for y'all. I was lied, if you my dog, you know I do the same. Try to survive, cause I can't let my daughter see my pain. Grind where we at, I know that we ain't growing up the same. Shine to shine, we never gave a fuck about the fame. Nowadays, these niggas be doing that shit just for a name. Everybody won't kill, they ain't even tryna go and see better days. Trap disappeared, I had to change my getting better over time, but every day it ain't the same. Grip tight like I got plies, cause everybody seem to change. We been here cause we play Call of Duty. But I know. I don't know where I'm going, I know I'm trying to make it fall. Push start the whip, this bitch might not be fun. Make sure you play it smart. I know I can't raise my daughter sitting behind them bars. Behind my daughters, I'm going flash, I feel like fuck the law. I'm from St. Rosa, it ain't no we drive exotic cars. Foot hit the gas, rip on his ass, and we can take it. And I'm the one they call on if they got a problem in the streets. Show you how to be a man, you gotta keep your family on their feet. Can't let your kids down, you gon' start losing sleep. Every L you gotta take and shake it off and got to slide for me. I ain't find no time for me. I ain't solo dollar for me.
Motivation. These niggas broke, they ain't got no motivation. I tell them catch up, boy, they doing it. I'm feeling myself like I'm at the baby.
It's not a game, I don't fully know, got no aim with this. I'm coolin' with baby bliss, new Glock got tags, it's a shit. Mixin' Gucci with my baby, nape on my Miami trip. Let me know how much you can handle, I'ma let you handle it. Spit a real shit, gotta be out of space for this. She just want a taste of it, I'm focused on development. Murder on his mind, so he be on his melly shit. Get your melon, split it, if I get mine, you keep the rest of it. Monkey see what monkey do, gon' have him.
I feel like melly
How much you can handle, I'ma let you handle it. Spit a real shit, gotta be out of space for this. She just want a taste of it, I'm focused on development. Struggle knowing what it is to me. This is not a game. Auto foot don't got no aim with this. I'm coolin' with baby bliss. New Glock got tags, this shit. Mixin' Gucci with my baby, nape on my Miami trip. Let me know how much you can handle, I'ma let you handle it.
Money be the motherfucking motivation.
Young and youthful.